Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to make a very interesting sweet recipe with raw mangoes. This will be sweet, tangy, spicy and more importantly tasty. For the recipe I have taken 2 raw mangoes. You have to peel the skin and cut them into pieces. The mango pieces should not be so small. You have to cut them into medium sized pieces like this. Mango pieces are ready, set this aside. Now take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil in it. Here I am using Idayam sesame oil. Once oil is hot enough, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry everything well. The mustard should pop and the fenugreek seeds should turn slightly brown. Now let us add the raw mangoes. To this add a teaspoon of chili powder and the required amount of salt. You can adjust the chili powder according to your spice taste. Next we are going to cook the mangoes, so add half a cup of water and close this and cook for a few minutes. You should not overcook the mangoes, it should only be half cooked. Once it is cooked, add half a cup of jaggery powder. If you don't have jaggery powder, you can go for brown sugar. The jaggery will melt, mix up with oil and become shiny like this. At this stage, you can take it out. This will taste so good and mostly the sweetness will dominate, so you can have it like this. Or if you want, you can have it along with rice or rotis. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.